Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we will be going through the HTML basics number 2, boilerplate and encoding. What is the HTML boilerplate? It's a boilerplate that includes the basic structure and essential elements every HTML document needs. And this is what the skeleton kind of looks like, and today we will be going through every single line of this code. Up first, we have the DOCTYPE HTML line. This is used to tell the browser which version of HTML you're using, and it should be the first line of code. Think of this as the instruction manual cover. It tells the browser which rulebook to follow for reading your page. Then we have the HTML line. This is the container for everything on the page, like the box that holds all of your web content. The entirety of your code goes there after the DOCTYPE line. Then we have the HTML language attribute to EN. This represents the top level element or the root of an HTML document. To specify the language for the document, you should use the language attribute. It's like telling your browser, hey, we're speaking English over here, so it knows how to read and pronounce things. You could have it in English, French, Spanish, Arabic, etc. Then you have the head element. The head section contains important metadata, which is behind the scenes information needed for browsers and search engines. The head is the backstage area. It's not seen on the stage, the web page, but it runs the show. Then we have the meta elements. These are little notes to the browser and other sites, like saying what alphabet you're using or giving Twitter a nice preview image. These elements represent your site's metadata. These elements have details about things like character encoding and how websites like Twitter should preview your page's link, and more. And it's always within the head. And these are examples of meta tags. UTF-8 character encoding. UTF-8 or UCS transformation format is a standardized character encoding widely used on the web. Character encoding is the method computers use to store characters as data. The trusted attribute is used inside of the meta element to set the character encoding to UTF-8. The title. This element is used to set the text that appears on the browser tab or window, and it's very important to add. And this is an example of how it could be added to your code. The title is like the label on the browser tab. So when people have 27 tabs open, they know which one is yours. For example, if you were to leave the tab right now for YouTube, you would be able to see this tab right here by a little text on the top that looks like a tag, and it will tell you this is your YouTube tab. Then we have the body. This is where the headings, paragraphs, images, etc. go. Comments are added inside of there, and they do not mess with your page. Just comments for you or your team to read if you have anything to add or recommend, or to specify something you did. It can look a little like this. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in a day or so.